Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll compare two big cryptocurrency dealers. We have Bitcoin on one hand, we have Ethereum on the other. So the two biggest names in the cryptos. But which one should you buy? If you're wondering which is the better investment and which one you should go up for, so stick around because today we are breaking it all down. So Bitcoin, which is also known as the king of crypto, the best of the crypto. So the original cryptocurrency was basically Bitcoin. It's often called as digital gold because it's mainly used as a store of a value. So Bitcoin has limited supply of 21 million coins, making it scarce and some say a hedge against inflation. So if you're looking for stability, long-term growth, Bitcoin is your go-to thing. And as you know, as all the things carry risk factors, Bitcoin so do carry the risk factor. But let's go to the other competitor of it, Ethereum. Ethereum is basically more than just a coin. If I say this is more than just a cryptocurrency, it is a whole platform for smart contracts, decentralized apps. Just think like this, like it's an NFTs, DeFi, even blockchain gaming. So Ethereum is basically powers it all of them. Plus its recent upgrade to Ethereum 2.0, it's now more energy efficient and more scalable. How about that, huh? So if you believe in blockchain tech beyond just money, Ethereum might be just your best. And as you can just compare the stats of all the activities over here, and I'm pretty sure you all are aware of how to log in. But the main thing is which one is better? Like after all this conversation, which one do you really have to choose? So if you want a safer long-term store of value, like for a long duration of time, Bitcoin is your way to go. Hands down, it's Bitcoin. But if you're looking for some innovation, growth potential, Ethereum could be a bigger opportunity. So some investors even hold both to balance their crypto portfolio, but it depends from person to person. So let me know which one do you prefer. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching.